Good morning, children. I hope you all are very fine. Today, in our English class, we are going to learn a new poem, No No Bird. No No Bird is written by Andrew Fusek Peter. The poet name is Andrew Fusek Peter. Okay, children. The poem is written by Andrew Fusek Peter. What is the poem name? No No Bird. Okay, children. First, I'm going to read the poem and you are going to listen to me. Okay, children? Yes. I am the no-no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no-no bird. I slunk and sing. No, no, no to everything. Andrew Fusek Peters. I repeat the poem again, children. I am the no-no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet, I shout and cry. I am the no-no bird. I slunk and sing. No, no, no to everything. Andrew Fusek Peter. So, children, can we see the poem line by line now? Yes. First paragraph. I am the no-no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Children, repeat after me. Okay? I am the no-no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no-no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Children, we are seeing the bird. The bird name is no-no bird and it lives up in the tantrum tree. Okay, children. Tantrum is the new word that we are learning, right? Can we learn the spelling? Tantrum. 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 Okay, children. Tantrum. Tantrum. Now repeat after me. Tantrum. Tantrum. Tantrum means very noisy and very angry tree. Okay. So the bird, Nono bird lives in a tree that is very angry, like that. Okay. So repeat the poem, children. I am the Nono bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the Nono bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Can we see the next paragraph? I am the Nono bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet, I shout and cry. So, the Nono bird is saying, I will not say any reason. I will keep on stamping my feet and shout and cry. It is very angry. So the bird is stamping its feet and shouting and crying all the time. I am the Nono bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I am the Nono bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I am the Nono bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. Next paragraph. I am the Nono bird. I slunk and sing. No, no, no to everything. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing. No to everything. So this bird will sulk and sing no to everything. Okay? That's why it is called as no bird. It will say no for everything. So we say this bird as no bird. Okay, children? Repeat this. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. Written by Andrew Fusek Peters. Children, we have to tell the poem without seeing the book. Okay, children? So again I am going to sing the poem. You listen to it for the first time. Second time you sing along with me. Okay? Each line I will repeat it twice. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet, shout and cry. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing. No to everything. No to everything. Andrew Fusek Peter. So children, when we start a poem, we have to say the title of the poem. At the end, we will say the poet's name. So now, first we are going to say the poem name and then sing the poem, and at the last, the poet's name. Are you all ready, children? Sing along with me, okay? No bird. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. Andrew Fusek Peter. So children, this is the poem No Bird. So we are knowing about the bird which is no. The bird's name is no. Okay? And the bird lives in the tantrum tree and it is shouting, crying and singing no for everything. That is the poem. It is very simple, no? I hope you all understood the poem. You have to sing along with me, okay? Again, can we sing? I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and I shout and cry. I am the no bird. I slunk and sing no to everything. Andrew Fusek Peter. So children, listen to the poem and sing as many times as possible. In the next class, we will learn the hard words and do the other exercise in the poem. Okay, children? So, be safe, eat healthy food and be at home. Okay. Okay, children? Thank you.